Sorry.
I want to offer you a couple of things to think about, a couple different levers to think about as you think about getting out of your revolving debt issue. Lever number one is the strategic payment, the Azure tactic. The credit card issuer only reports your statement balance once a month. This is something we use all the time with people, okay? This is a tactic that works so very well, especially if you're someone who pays their credit card every month, but you always seem to carry a balance. Your credit card never reports zero. Well, if you pay your credit card in full and you're not getting credit for that, it's because you're not paying the credit card balance before the statement closes. It's pretty simple, right? Think about this for a second. Credit card statement breaks on the 10th. You don't want to pay that bill the day after or the next day. The statement breaks. That means they're reporting to the credit bureaus on the 11th or the 12th. You want to show a zero balance? You want to have the biggest impact on your credit score? If that statement breaks on the 8th or the 10th or whatever day it does, 2 days before it breaks, 2 days before it closes, pay that credit card off and watch what happens the next month. It's a game changer. The second lever is the, beg for a raise discussion with the credit card company, right? That's the increase my credit limit, right? That helps because it adjusts your available credit, your usage. It changes immediately. That boosts your score. Got a card with 2,000 as your limit. You're going to be spending some more money. You're at $1,500. Maybe in your mind, you want to tell them you're going to be spending more money just to get the approval. Do what you got to do. I'm not going to judge you on that, right? That's a good way to see your score go up. Yeah, a credit increase will cause your score to increase. Pretty simple, right? Now, lever three, this is the distributed spending trick. This is interesting. You've got multiple cards. Stop putting everything on your favorite card, the one that gives you the miles or the points, or you're kind of playing that game. Listen, I've got a mileage card too. I use it as well. But spread the spending around. Having one card at 80% and two at zero is worse for your score, right? The algorithm looks at your overall usage and sees that you're at 80% on one of those cards. I had a client that had to apply for a mortgage. Credit was at 678. Paid the debt down, got an increase in credit limit. This is what we call the mortgage credit tune-up. He came to us before he applied, so he knew what was going to need to be done. Did a couple things. Credit limit increase, got some of the debt paid down, and boom, tier one credit for him on his mortgage. You want the help? You want the free analysis? Text the word credit to 702-778-2000 today. Waiting on you.